How to fix cash out pending on Cash App. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Vipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can cancel your pending cash out on Cash App. Well, first things first, the thing that you need to understand is, can you cancel your cash out, the pending cash out? Well, you can cancel your pending transaction, but unfortunately you won't be able to cancel your pending cash out. Now, what you'll have to do is you'll have to contact the customer support directly in order to cancel it for you, or in order to seek some service for the particular transaction or cash out that you're trying to do and is pending. Now, you want to get the option itself on the application or in the web or in the Cash App as well in order to cancel it. So you'll have to contact the customer support. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues regarding this.